You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome to the deep dive. We're here to sift through, the noise around the latest tech news, design shifts, even corporate clashes. We pull out the key insights, the surprising stuff, really, to help you stay genuinely informed.
And we've got quite a mix today. It really touches on everything from hardware innovation to brand perception and these unexpected battles. It's a fascinating look at how innovation and trust really play out.
Okay, let's jump right in with something that honestly made me do a double take. Ferrari. The Ferrari, right? They just lost a trademark fight over their horse logo.
Yeah, it sounds unbelievable, doesn't it?
It does. And their opponent, get this, a Malaysian energy drink called WePower.
WePower. It's an incredible case. The High Court basically decided that WePower's logo, it's two red horses facing each other.
Yeah.
W array behind them, it just wasn't infringing on Ferrari's famous prancing horse.
Wow. So what happened?
Well, Ferrari got ordered to pay legal costs. They are appealing, apparently, but still. It really shows how even these huge, globally recognized icons can face challenges protecting their core symbols. It makes you think, what's the actual line for distinctiveness in trademarks?
That's a really good point. Distinctiveness. Okay, so from brand symbols, let's pivot. Let's talk cutting-edge hardware. We've got some new leaks filtering out for Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7.
Ah, yes, the Fold 7. What are we seeing?
Well, the images suggest it's going to be noticeably slimmer, more refined looking, maybe around 4.5 millimeters thick when it's open.
That's quite thin for a foldable.
Right. And the camera setup looks different too. Slimmer silver rings instead of those, chunky black ones they had before.
Okay, a more streamlined aesthetic then.
Seems like it. And there's talk of a new color, like a blue shadow. We should get all the official details at Samsung's Unpacked event soon, I guess. Okay, so hardware is getting sleeker, but what about software? Especially AI. There's this startup, Lovable, making some serious waves.
Lovable, right, the Swedish AI company.
That's the one. Founded just last year, 2023, and they build web apps just from text prompts.
That's impressive speed.
It is, and apparently they're in the process of raising like $150 million, which would put their valuation near $2 billion.
$2 billion already.
Yeah, and they hit $50 million in annual recurring revenue, that's ARR, within just 6 months of launching. 6 months.
Wow. That's phenomenal growth.
And they just launched a beta AI agent, too, for automatically editing and debugging code.
So if you sort of connect those dots, you see hardware getting thinner, more powerful, more physically refined. And at the same time, these AI startups are hitting massive valuations and changing how software is even made at just breakneck speed.
Exactly. It's like parallel tracks, both accelerating like crazy. So with all this tech advancing so fast, what does it actually mean for us, for the user? And maybe more importantly, how is it all perceived? Let's look at maybe two ends of the spectrum here. First, you have Apple. We got a glimpse into their durability lab.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Pretty intense.
Totally intense. They test products across 4 big categories. Environmental stuff like salt, sweat, sand. Then water resistance. Impacts, like dropping phones on different surfaces. And even vibration, like simulating being on a motorcycle. Thousands of trials just to make sure things pass those extreme tests for IP certification, for dust and water resistance.
So they're going to huge lengths to build physical trust, essentially.
Oh, right.
Making sure the thing lasts.
But then, on the flip side, you see some AI-generated stuff facing serious backlash. It's like the trust just isn't there. Take that Cat in the Hat movie campaign. Did you see that?
Vaguely. What was the issue?
Well, fans basically accuse them of using AI to just slap the character's hat onto famous landmarks around the world for the posters.
Right.
And people were not happy, calling it like uninspired, lazy. It really tapped into this growing kind of distrust of AI in marketing, especially for movies.
That contrast is really striking, isn't it? You have companies like Apple investing so much in building physical confidence through durability. And then in the digital space, especially with AI, you see this trust gap widening.
Yeah.
It really highlights that the value of tech isn't just what it can do. It's also about how it's made, how it's presented, and how it's perceived by people. Authenticity matters, maybe just as much as the function itself.
So quite a journey today. We went from Ferrari's surprising trademark trouble through the latest super slim phones and super fast AI, all the way to this really crucial tension between tech capability and, well, user trust, both physical and digital.
It definitely leaves you thinking, doesn't it? As tech gets faster and AI gets, everywhere. How do we balance that drive for innovation and efficiency with maintaining genuine trust, especially when people feel authenticity is getting lost? That's something worth considering as you navigate your own relationship with technology.
Spoken Tech for your ears.